Okay, we are now in the FreeSky DNEST command center web-based cloud platform. Now we can just log in. And here you can find a list of the charging station we can control, which we have already registered in the system. This one is D60 charging station with a Mavic zoom. Now we can just execute a mission. I have already preset a mission. This is the geofence that I pre-draw, and then it's an auto waypoint mission. You can just choose the charging station. Then pre-flight prep. The system is going to open the canopy. Okay, now it's powered on the draw, and then charge bar is released. Now the system is checking the hardware to make sure everything, all hardware and everything is connected. Okay, so it's going to check everything. Check. Now you can start the mission. Then it's going to jump to the camera view of the drone. Okay, now I can just take off. And the drone is taking off. From the panel, you can see there are some flight information like the battery level, GPS reception, the current altitude, distance from home point, and the current horizontal speed. The drone first have to ascend to 100 meters before it will go to the first waypoint. Let me switch to the map so you can see. This is the waypoints that I planned. So the drone will reach 100 meters and then it will go to the first waypoint. Yeah. So everything in the auto waypoint mission, everything is done automatically. But at the same time, I can use the keyboard to control the gimbal of the drone. So I can tilt down a little bit. And I can also put the drone in hovering. Yeah, now the drone is hovering. I can now zoom in. I can take here are two buttons. I can take a video or take a picture. Let me just take a picture. Because this, we forgot to insert the SD card, but this is just to show you what the functionality of the command center can do. And I can continue the mission, then the drone is continuing its waypoint, its way paths. And if you want to finish the mission, I can just click return to home. Confirm to return. Yeah, and the drone is returning to the home point. So once it reaches the home point, the charging station, then it will start to land onto the charging station. You can see that we have some QR code pattern on the charging pad. This is the algorithm developed by our partner, software partner FreeSky, so they can use the visual camera to recognize this QR code pattern on the charging pad to guide the drone into landing onto the charging pad more precisely, as the original DJI precision landing is only 70% success. So when it's below 20 meters, then you can see some numbers will be pop up on the screen. You can see. Now this is the algorithm being initiated, and then you can see how it's recognizing the QR code pad on the charging pad. Yeah, as it lands onto the charging pad, you can end the mission. Then the charge bars are going to lock the drone in the center and then charge it for the next mission.